Species Spiny Emex, Emex spinosa, is a weed plant of agricultural crops. The species is included in the quarantine pest list of the USA and Uzbekistan, proposed for inclusion in the uniform list of quarantine objects of the Eurasian Economic Union. Species Emex spinosa is considered to originate from the islands of the Mediterranean Sea. The weed is present in 30 countries of the world, where it is found in places of grain crops occurrence. Emex spinosa contaminates crops, competes with them for minerals and water, thereby inhibiting crops and reducing their productivity. Invasive weeds acclimatize and begin to actively occupy the territory with crops. Wheat plants are inhibited by weeds. Of course, their death does not occur, but the amount of grain formed in the spike diminishes. Due to the rapid growth and a large mass formation, the weed plant makes it difficult to harvest, as it contaminates crops with its seeds. The weed plant has sharp thorns of fruits, which can cause injuries in humans and animals. Emex spinosa is an annual herbaceous plant from 30 to 80 centimeters in length. The adult plant has a long and thick root. Stems are ascending or upright, branched, often reddish at the base. Cotyledon leaves are linear, pointed at the ends. Subsequent leaves are from 3 to 13 centimeters in length, glabrous from ovoid to oblong oval or triangular, with a truncated triangular base, blunt or pointed at the top. Flowers collected in paniculate inflorescences. There are staminate flowers in an amount of from 1 to 8 per plant. Leaves are narrowly oblong to oblong. Pistillate flowers are sessile in leaf sheaths, in an amount of from 2 to 7. The fruit is dry, single-seeded, with a tightly adjacent pericarp. Ripening fruits have 3 sharp spikes. Seeds are from 4 to 5 millimeters in length, with a shiny surface. One Emex spinosa plant can produce 1,100 seeds. The first seeds fall into the soil and they are accumulated in the soil seed bank. Then the formation of flowers reoccurs, and the fruits and seeds of the crop are spread over the soil surface for long distances. Detection of spiny Emex is carried out by external morphological features of stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds of the plant. Emex spinosa is controlled by the methods of grain crops early sowing and vegetable seedings early planting. Since the seeds of spiny Emex can remain viable in the soil seed bank for a long time, herbicides should be used several successive years before the flowering of plants begins.